put slime. There you go. Alright, cool. Basically, you won't believe what just happened. You just won't believe what happened. This is the aftermath. Do you want to explain what you did?
Oh, all I could really say is slime.
Yeah, and he got me pretty good. I'm just gonna show you what happened. But before I get into the video, if you're new and haven't seen my face before, go down and subscribe. And if you like the video, like the video. And if you haven't already, follow me on my Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram, Drizzy Jeremy, and turn on my channel notifications. So yeah, let me show you what went down.
Alright, cool. No, I ain't gonna do his intro. Where my brother thinks we're gonna be doing another video, but little does he know, I got his camera. And look how dirty his car is, man. This idiot does not know how to clean his car. Like, literally. Doesn't even know how to clean it. Anyways, we're gonna be, since his car is dirty, we're gonna be cleaning it by putting slime all over his car. Okay, so I've got 2 buckets here. I've got the 2 slimes. So that one is for my brother, and that one there is for the car. What was it? Now I'm gonna fill these into them too, and then afterwards, yeah, we shall begin. Okay, I've never used this before. Okay, so what do I do now? Okay, so do I mix it like this then? God, that is a disgusting feeling. So, if you didn't know already, this one is going to be at my brother, and this one is going to be at the car. So I'm just going to mix it all together. Oh, that is disgusting. Oh man. Oh man. Oh god. Nah man. Nah man. Oh man. Oh, God's sake, this is disgusting. Look at it. Oh man. Okay, so that's enough of mixing. Now I have to put some of the slime on my brother's car. Okay, so I've got the slime bucket right here, and I'm gonna put on the car. And then I've got the hidden one right over here. So yeah, there we go. That's the one that I'm going to throw at my brother. Now since I've got those 2 slime buckets, let's go put some slime on the car and on my brother.
Put slime. There you go. There we go.
God's sake, I got some on myself. On my shoes. Bruh. Well, I got lots on my brother's car. Look at this. Look at this. Look, this is all of the slime I dropped. And it's on my brother's car. Screw you, bro. Screw you. I think my brother's in the toilet, so I'm gonna go knock and see if he's gonna come out or not. Bruh, I need to show you something.
What?
I just need to show you something, like, I have to show them something, man. I have to show you something.
We haven't started filming yet.
Huh?
We haven't started filming yet. Why have you got the camera out?
I just need to show you something, man.
What?
It's outside.
What are you filming? We haven't started filming yet.
Outside, man.
Hold on.
Hurry up, bro. See? You can enjoy your new car now.
What did you do?
Nothing. I upgraded your car. I upgraded your car.
What do you mean you upgraded my car?
I made it much better now.
What is this?
It's an upgrade.
Did you put a slime? Oh my days, look!
What, man?
Did you put slime on the car?
No, I didn't.
This
no.
is slime!
Oh, is it? Oh, well, I hope you enjoy your new upgraded car now.
You put slime on my car?
Yeah, it's meant to make it better, right?
How does slime make a car better?
There's dots, okay? I don't know.
Oh, you look, I can't even walk.
Oh yeah, you can. Couple of folks actually.
You know the slime is drying up on my car.
Oh well, I'm sorry, but upgrade.
What the? Are you an idiot?
I'm not an idiot. That's me.
Wait, put the camera down. You know it's gonna take forever to clean up the car.
No.
Look, it's drying up already.
It's part of your car. It's fine.
This better wash off.
I don't think it's gonna wash off. Yeah. I'm sorry, man. I had to do something.
You know it's in here.
You could call it revenge
Revenge for what?
for what you did to me,
What did I do to you?
pranking me.
This ain't even funny. My car was clean.
Well, by the way, it wasn't even clean at all.
Yeah,
I
it
just
was.
said.
It was so clean.
No, it wasn't. It was so dirty, so I had to clean the car for you.
What, with slime?
Yeah, so no, it's much more cleaner now.
You want me to get rid of this before it dries on my car?
Oh, well, you could do that all by yourself.
No, you did this, so you gotta do it.
No, it's your car, so you gotta do this. Thank
You
you,
gotta
mate.
be kidding me.
No, I'm not kidding.
Oh my days. Put the camera down. Because if this damages my paint, my wrap, yeah?
Who cares about your rap?
I care about my wrap. Well, I'm gonna put the camera down, yeah? I'm gonna film you cleaning the car.
Yeah, that ain't gonna happen.
That is happening. I'm putting it right here. This guy does not know what he just done. Because if that sticks to my wrap is gonna get damaged.
It's perfection.
It's not. Clean it up.
Nah,
Clean it up.
nah.
Clean it up.
You're gonna have to.
I'm not gonna clean it up.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yes, you are.
There's no way I'm cleaning this up.
Yes, you are.
He's cleaning this up. There's no way I'm gonna clean it up. Bro, you're gonna clean this up.
Oh no,
You are.
You are.
No, you are.
You are.
What is that?
Oh. There we go. There.
No, don't touch it from the floor. Don't get it from the floor.
What, man?
So wait, was this your master plan?
Yeah.
Seriously? Seriously? Wait, you're my hairdresser now?
Yeah.
You gonna do my hair? With
Yeah.
Slime that was on the floor.
Yeah.
It feels like egg. It feels like soggy egg. You know you're gonna be cleaning this up. That's disgusting. Now stop.
I don't care.
Oh, stop! That's disgusting now. Slime everywhere.
I can do your hair.
I got slime everywhere. Yeah, that is literally what just happened. You got me pretty good. Like, look at my face. I got slime all over it.
Yeah.
And the thing is, you were using slime off the floor. You dirty boy.
Yeah.
Yep. Dirty boy. Yep. Nice reply, mate. Nice reply.
Thank you.
But yeah, man, that's it. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Go follow my brother on Instagram.
Juvenile Graham.
And yeah, I'll see you in my next video.
Bye.